In this part, we will see how we can do profit maximization and minimization under monopoly. Under monopoly, marginal cost marginal cost is equals to marginal revenue. So we have basically two types to solve this, two process to solve these questions. The first process is we have to put MC equals to MR, and the second one we can do is the basic method. First dy by dx equals to 0, and then d square y by dx square is less than 0. This is the basic process. So let's suppose we have a question number first. See, we have r equals to 14x minus x square, and we have c equals to x into x square minus 2. What we have to do, we have to do profit maximization. This is the case of monopoly. So marginal cost is what? Marginal cost is the derivative of total cost, as we have total cost as c equals to x into x square minus 2. And we can first profit equals to revenue minus cost, that is equals to 14x minus x square, 14x minus x square minus x cube minus 2x. So that will be equals to 14x minus x square minus x cube plus 2x. Sorry, this is plus 2x. dp by dx is equals to 14 minus 2x minus 3x square plus 2. This is our, so we will put this equals to 0. This is what? This is what? Minus 3x square minus 2x minus 3x square minus 2x, and plus 16 equals to 0. So this is 3x square plus 2x minus 16 equals to 0. Making a quadratic equation, how we will do? The sum will be 2, taking the values of x such that sum will be 2 and product will be 16 into 3 minus 48. Minus 48 product and sum as 2. So we can break it as like this: 3x square 48, 8 into 24, 8 into 3, 3x square, wait, 3x minus 16. Yeah, we can break it like plus 8x minus 6x minus 16 is equals to 0. So we can write it as 3x square minus 6x plus 8x minus 16 equals to 0. This is 3x taking common, x minus 2 plus 8 x minus 2 equals to 0. So this is 3x plus 8 into x minus 2 equals to 0. X equals to 2 and x equals to minus 8 by 3. Now taking second order condition, taking second order condition, what we will be getting? Second order condition we will be getting as d square p by d square p by d x square dx square, that is equals to minus 2 minus 6x, putting the value as x equals to 2, minus 2, minus 12, minus 14 less than 0. So at x equals to minus 2, at x equals to minus 2, we x equals to 2, we get max profit. At x equals to minus 2, we will be getting the max profit. Or the second rule, second process we can do is marginal cost is equals to marginal revenue. We know how to find the marginal revenue, d by dq of total revenue, and this is d by dq of total cost, and we will equate them in finding the values of x and y. So this is the case of monopoly. So we can solve this like this. So in profit maximization, we always remember profit in maximization or minimization, how we will solve. The basic process is first finding dy by dx, then equating dy by dx equals to 0. So we will getting the two values of one or two values of x values. Now third process, find d square y by dx square. After finding d square y by dx square, put value of x in it, put values of x in it. If we get d square y by dx square greater than 0, then minimum. If we get d square y by dx square as less than 0, then maximum. This is the basically the case for profit maximization and profit minimization, cost minimization, revenue minimization, maximization. So this is our final processes.